My video tutorial is now dedicated to help you get rid of the new adware type application called TechBrowser. TechBrowser is a new adware from the adload family of adware type infections. This TechBrowser adware actually attacks Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers. It displays its really intrusive advertisements randomly on your screen. It also may redirect your browser to a lot of dangerous and even deceptive websites. Therefore, if it was found on your computer some way or another, make sure you get rid of it. So right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install it, and start researching the system with its help in order to effectively detect and eliminate other threats from your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.